Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Muhammad Arif and I will today talk about organic poultry farming in Pakistan. First, what is organic poultry farming? The term organic poultry production or free-range chicken farming simply means raising birds without antibiotics, growth hormones, vaccines, or any kind of synthetic drugs. In other words, it means raising birds naturally with the use of herbs, spices, fruits, etc. The second thing, how do livestock and poultry manage organically? Organic livestock management is pasture-based, encouraging biodiversity, healthy soil, and humane treatment of animals. Animal waste becomes a tool for fertility, not a hazard. The animal improves the health of the land. Now, come to the benefits of the organic chicken. It is healthier than non-organic chicken. In a variety of ways, organic chicken beats out non-organic when it comes to the health and nutrition. Its taste is better. It abides by strict standards. It prevents the spread of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. It provides nutritional benefits. It is versatile. In order to be labeled organic, the chicken had to have been fed not just a vegetarian diet, but a diet that does not include any genetically modified ingredient or toxic synthetic pesticides. No antibiotics. The chicken are never given antibiotics, including in the eggs. Is organic healthier? In some studies, it was observed that organic chicken contained 38% more heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Eating organic chicken may also lower your food poisoning risk. It was also found that fewer than 6% of the organic birds were infected with salmonella, compared with almost 39% of the conventional ones. One of the important questions, can we use hydroponic fodder production technology to promote organic farming? Yes, it's very cheap, it's very easy. Anybody can manage it with less effort. Second thing, can we use worms for organic poultry farm? Yes, it can be fed to rear organic chicken production. BSF worms are very good for organic chicken. What other things are helpful to maintain gut health of the poultry? Organically made probiotics, organic acids, different herbs, cereal grains can be fed to the birds. The concept of organic poultry farming is getting popular day by day in Pakistan. Different people in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad are doing this business. Nowadays in Sargodha, Department of Animal Sciences, University of Sargodha, in collaboration with one of our students who is a very renowned farmer also, Dr. Malik Nasir, we have done different experiments of organic poultry farming and we found it very successful. Now he is selling on commercial scale. You can see the mobile number of Dr. Malik Nasir Sahab and you can contact him. Different types of birds which he is rearing at his farm are Australorps, Rhode Island Red, Golden Mystery, Plymouth, Light Sussex. You can contact him and have organic, very good taste birds from him. This is our social media page. You can contact us anytime and seek any advice from us. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.